One of the best ways to grab views in YouTube is to create a good thumbnail. Remember, thumbnails are always the first impressions of your videos. For the mobile YouTubers out there, I have bought a small tip that might help you grow your channel rapidly. First of all, you must ensure that your channel is verified by YouTube. This is important as YouTube wants to ensure that the source behind the channel is a human and not a bot. So how do we do that? It's quite simple. Go to Chrome or Safari and write YouTube channel verify link. After that, you get two websites. You can choose either one of them. And don't worry about the security lines because both of the websites are from Google, not from any third-party source, so you're totally secure. The rules are quite simple. You select your country and then you give your phone number so Google can either send you text or call you and give you the verification code. After giving all those informations, you get the code, and after you get the code, you just submit it. Once that's done, you can upload videos longer than 15 minutes, do live streams and appeal copyright contents. Now your channel is verified and you are an official YouTuber. So this step is very important if you want to add thumbnails or if you want to be a proper YouTuber using a mobile phone. It is very important for adding thumbnails and doing all the other infringements that are done by YouTubers. Now coming to the thumbnail, of course you need some photo editing apps. I recommend using Photo Editor and Pixel. Now don't get me wrong here, I'm not sponsored by these apps. I use them frequently for my videos and thus recommend them. For a thumbnail, the size of the picture should be 1280 into 720 pixel. So you can go to Photo Editor and press New and adjust your size of the thumbnail. And this size is essential for the thumbnail. And you can make your own thumbnails using these two apps. And of course, it requires your own talent and your own creativity for making cool thumbnails. You can take screenshots of your gameplay, add effects, write text, make it look cooler. That's it. But the process is a bit lengthy. Even after verifying your channel, you cannot add thumbnails if you don't have this app, YouTube Studio. This app is officially for mobile YouTubers from Google. You can go there and select the video on which you have to upload the thumbnail and simply choose the thumbnail from your gallery and apply it. So that's how you add a thumbnail to a YouTube video through a mobile. And if you have any kind of inquiries or if you have any questions, then let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the content, you know what to do, and I shall take my leave.